Finally, you have your reagent strips. Let's take a look at your reagent strips anyway. Reagent strip principle, please note that there are chemicals impregnated in the absorbent pads or in the reagent pads attached to a plastic strips. The color-producing chemical reaction takes place when the absorbent pads comes in contact with the urine. And then, of course, after that, after the uh, given reaction time, you read or you compare it with the color chart. You compare it with the color chart. Of course, compare the color produced on the pad with a chart supplied by the manufacturer. Okay, and yes, it is reported as negative, trace, and the following, the plus system. It is reported as negative or normal for urobilinogen and trace, and then your plus system accordingly. Of course, you compare the color produced in the reagent pad with the color chart provided by the manufacturer. Okay, you report this negative or normal or trace or the plus system. And then, of course, quality control. Please note that reagent strips must be checked with both positive and negative controls according to the frequency that is established by the laboratory policy. So if the policy of your laboratory is to do a quality control check every day, then you do it. If it says if the SOP of your laboratory is to do it every shift, then you do it every shift. Okay. Quality controls, I mean, both positive and negative controls, both positive and negative controls again, according to the established policy of the laboratory. Okay, there should be, of course, backup reagents. Okay, backup reagents. And please note that testing is also performed, or yes, quality control testing is also performed when a new bottle of reagent strip is opened. Aside from that, when questionable results are obtained, or if there is a concern about the integrity of the strips, there is discoloration. Pansin mo na may discoloration na to blue na yung kulay ng ketones, ketone pad, such. Okay, please note that all quality control, yes, all quality control results must be recorded following the laboratory protocol. Okay, please note, accordingly, distilled water is not recommended as a negative control. But I do it. Pero ginagawa po kasi natin when we perform in the laboratory, pinapagawa ko siya sa inyo minsan, no? Your distilled water. Minsan tinatawag ko kayo, "Okay, check mo nga distilled water, sausaw mo nga sa distilled water and you read, no? Okay. Anyway, accordingly, distilled water is not recommended as a negative control. Okay? Again, perform positive control and negative control on new reagents, newly opened bottles of reagent strip, and new lot number. Okay, care of the reagent strips. Store with desiccant in an opaque, tightly closed container. Please note, okay, because your what you call this, your reagent strip is hygroscopic, they attract moisture also. That is why tightly closed container open. Sabi niya po dito. It should not be a transparent container. Kaya pansin nyo, our reagent strip bottles, they are black in color. Itim po sila. Okay, again, store with desiccant in an opaque and tightly closed container. Okay, there should be a desiccant. What is the purpose of the desiccant? Somewhat to absorb moisture. Okay, to keep the environment dry. Okay, and do not expose to volatile fumes. Okay, do not expose to volatile fumes. Do not use past the expiration date. Okay, if expired, then wag na pong gamitin. Also, of course, you check also. Okay, kasi if na-expirean ka ng reagent, oh my God, inefficient ka. sa pagmamanage ng laboratory mo. Do not use past the expiration date. And yes, do not use if chemical pads become discolored. Always, you check the pads, you check the color of the pads before you dip into the sample. Okay? Again, do not use if chemical pads become discolored. Let's say, for example, okay, may discoloration na, discolored na yung ketone or the glucose pad. Okay, of course, do not use it already. And remove strips immediately before use. Okay, kailan mo po siya bubuksan? You open it if you are ready to test. You open the container if you are ready to test. You open the container if you're ready to test, and then you get what you need. You get only one, and then close, and then you do the testing. Remove strips immediately before use, and store below 30 degrees Celsius. You store below 30 degrees Celsius. Thank you so much. This has been Gael, reminding you to live fully, love deeply, laugh often, keep learning, and never forget to enjoy the ride. And as you move forward, may you always choose curiosity over fear, kindness over convenience, and growth over comfort. And yes, you celebrate your small victories, you honor your quiet moments, and trust that every step, no matter how uncertain, shapes the story you are meant to tell. The world is wide, your time is precious, and your journey is uniquely yours. So go make it extraordinary. Thank you. Thank you so much, and see you around.